all, welcome to our new series Learn German Easily. In this lesson we are going to learn regular verbs, conjugations of regular verbs, and we will solve exercise. To use German verbs correctly, you need to learn conjugations. Conjugation simply means changing form of verb to feel who is doing the action. Verb is the action word and person who is performing that action is subject. That is why we conjugate verb for subject only. For example, the German equivalent of I go and he goes is ich gehe and geht. Here you can observe verb is same, that is gehen. Gehen is to go, but only form is changing according to subject, that is who is doing the action. There are two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. There is no logic by which you can guess the verbs are regular verbs or irregular verbs. You have to memorize which verbs are regular and which verbs are irregular verbs. You call a verb regular when we can follow an established pattern for conjugation. Now we will learn regularische Verben, that is regular verbs. Possible endings for regular verbs are en, eln, ern. Now let's see few examples. We write verb conjugations according to subject. Subject can be noun or pronoun. First verb is machen. Here are the conjugations. For ich it is mache. For du it is machst. For sie es it is macht. For wir it is machen. For ihr it is macht. For sie it is machen. Here you can clearly observe only ending en is changing for all the pronouns. For ich you have to replace en with e. For du you have to replace en with st. For sie es you have to replace en with t. For wir you have to replace en with en. For ihr you have to replace en with t. For sie you have to replace en with en. Next verb is handeln. Conjugations are for ich it is handele. For du it is handelst. For sie es it is handelt. For wir it is handel. For ihr it is handelt. For sie it is handeln. Here you can observe n is replacing with e for ich. For du it is replacing with st. For rs it is replacing with t. For wir it is replacing with n. For ihr it is replacing with t. For sie it is replacing with n. Next verb is ändern. Conjugations are for ich it is ändere. For du it is anderst. For sie es it is ändert. For wir it is ändern. For ihr it is ändert. For sie it is ändern. Here you can observe you have to replace n with e. For ich you have to replace n with st. For du you have to replace n with t. For rs you have to replace n with n. For wir you have to replace n with t. For ihr you have to replace n with n. For sie. Now let's see few examples how we can use these verbs in sentences. Ich mache the house of cargo. In this sentence, ich is the subject. So conjugated form is mache used. But with the same verb, if we are using another subject, for example, ihr macht the house of cargo. Here, ihr is the subject. So verb conjugation is macht used. Simple present and present continuous tense is same in German. Der Lehrer handelt the Studenten. Here in this sentence, der Lehrer is the subject. which is third person singular. That is why verb conjugation used is handelt. But the same verb we are using with another subject. For example, Sie handeln den Termin. Then in this sentence, Sie is the subject. That is why conjugated form used is handeln over here. Mein Freunde ändert seinen Beruf. In this sentence, mein Freunde is the subject, that is third person singular. That is why ändert is conjugated form used here. But if we are using same verb with another subject, for example, ich ändere meinen Plan. In this sentence, ich is the subject, that is why conjugated form used is ändere. Let's see few more verbs. For example, first one, common. Conjugations are ich komme, du kommst, sie es kommt, wir kommen, ihr kommt, sie kommen. Next verb is wohnen. Conjugations are ich wohne, du wohnst, sie es wohnt, wir wohnen, ihr wohnt, sie wohnen. Next verb is heißen. Conjugations are ich heiße, du heißt, sie es heißt, wir heißen, ihr heißt, sie heißen. Next verb is besuchen. Conjugations are ich besuche, du besuchst, sie es besucht, wir besuchen, ihr besucht, sie besuchen. Most of the regular verbs are with en ending. Here is the summary of change in endings of the verb for conjugation. There are some regular verbs on the screen. Try to conjugate that. Here are the answers. You can check your answers. There are some sentences given on the screen with blank spaces. Try to fill that with the proper conjugated form of the verb given in the bracket. Here are the answers given. You can check your answers. I hope you understand regular verbs and their conjugations. Thank you for watching the video.